Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to upload HTML file to website for Google verification. So let's see how we can do it. So this is the HTML file that I have downloaded from Google for the verification, and now we are going to upload this HTML file to our website for verification. So first of all, we need to log into our cPanel or hPanel of our web hosting. So for this video, I am using Hostinger, but the process is almost the same for all the web hosting platforms. I am using Hostinger, so right now I am in the hPanel of Hostinger, but if you are using any other cPanel hosting, just log into your cPanel account. Here on the Hostinger, I will see the hosting section, so I am going to click on Manage. And after that, I am going to click on File Manager from here. But if you are using a regular cPanel, log into your cPanel account, scroll down and you will see a file manager. Click on the file manager and after that select public_html. This is where all the website files lies. After that, if you have only one website on your web hosting, then here you will see less folders. But if you have multiple websites on your web hosting, then here you will see more folders. Like I have more folders because I have more websites. So if you have multiple websites, then make sure that you are in the right website folder. After that, from the top, just click on this upload button. This is same for all the web hostings. Click on file from here. Just select the Google verification file and then click on open. So now if I scroll down, and here we will see the Google verification file that we have just added. If Google or any other platform is asking you to add this website in a specific folder, from the left menu just click on new folder, add a name that is given by Google or any other platform, and then click on create, and after that just upload the file there. So this is how you can upload HTML file to website for Google verification. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.